The methodology section is what makes analytical reports different from most other genres of writing. The methodology section is supposed to walk readers through every step the writer took while collecting facts and data. The reason it does this is so that the reader can come up with the same results as the writer by repeating the same steps. Some examples of what the methodology section should discuss are the search engines a researcher used to find data, such as Google News and Google Books. The keywords a researcher used, such as space exploration, and any selectional restrictions the researcher used, such as a custom date range. After discussing each major step in the data finding process, the writer should mention the findings expected from the search. For example, if researching gun laws, the writer might expect to find strong opinions on both sides of the argument. The final application of the methodology section is inserting it into the analytical report, where it will be the heart of the work, since so many other sections depend on its integrity. This means that the methodology section should be inserted into the analytical report by the time of the final portfolio submission. The research question at the beginning of the methodology section should present to the reader what question the research is supposed to answer. The analysis of findings at the end of the methodology section should say how successful the researcher was in collecting usable data, with which to arrive at a conclusion. Aside from saying how useful the data was, it should not give the actual results. Save that for the results section of the report, which follows the methodology section. This brings us to the final point. Remember that the methodology section is not a context-less assignment. It's simply a very important, some would say the most important, section of your final analytical report, which you already started when you wrote up the short version of it, the précis.
As always, if you have questions, feel free to email me at cadam@ucla.edu. Also remember that you can come see me during my physical office hours in Humanities 218. My office hours are listed on my syllabus.
I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great week.